In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 steps in order to land your first client, your second client, your third, your fourth, your fifth, whatever, all the way to a 6-figure business. But instead of just showing you, I am going to implement them live on this channel right now. And I just got an email back from the implementation 5 minutes ago, and he's keen to set up a meeting and wants to come see me. This works for free, no guru course, no special tools, just hard work and a set of balls. So if you've got those two things, carry on watching this video. I'm going to show you how to land clients.
Hi, how are you?
Well, thanks yourself.
Good. I was just online and I noticed you guys have quite a few bad reviews. I actually help with companies, namely moving companies, specialize in getting their rankings better on Google and getting them more leads. Is that something you'd be interested in?
There's 100,000, maybe 1 million courses telling you how to get a client online. Your first client for your digital marketing agency, some new skill you learned online, the digital nomad lifestyle, blah, 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 blah. I promise you, if you follow the steps in this video, you will 100% be able to land clients and build a 6-figure marketing agency.
What's up guys, it's Jay here. So chances are that you've just jumped into this new freelancing thing with regards to offering people a digital service. Perhaps you're an agency owner and it was all glitz and glam and now you're like, oh, well, I don't have any clients. So I'm going to make this video today for the total beginner on how to get their first client with regards to a digital online service. So first things first, there's a few things that need to happen with regards to your mindset. You need to become hungry and you need to realize that the lifeline or the blood flow of your business is sales. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter really what you're selling as long as you are getting people interested and people are buying from you. Now, there's a lot of ways to do this and there's a lot of tools to do this. But for the purposes of this video, everything I show you in here will be totally free. So if you are keen to learn how to get your first client or perhaps get more clients, leave this video a like and please subscribe. It really does motivate me to help the community of people out there trying to better themselves with their side hustles, their businesses, and just grow and provide for the ones you love. Let's do this. All right, guys, now that you understand that the lifeline and the blood flow of your business is sales, we'll go to step one. Step one is to create the ideal persona of your client. Now, for your ideal persona, for the purposes of this tutorial, you want to be targeting people within a specific niche area, and that it'll just help us when we do the outreach that much easier because it's all manual and we're not automating anything. It'll really make your life easier. So really niche down into what you want to do. It'll also help if you have a case study and things like that. So choose an industry and location, and we get to go to step two. Step two, get their contact details. This is how you do that. Go to Google, type in your persona plus location you decided on. Mine was moving companies, on spell, let's say Randburg. Moving companies Randburg. Scroll down and click on, you don't want to be clicking on the first couple of people because chances are they have had help. So go to page 2 and start there. These people most likely haven't had help. And it also depends on what services you're offering. So for instance, if you're offering Google Ads, you could actually contact the people currently running Google Ads for the areas with, hey, how are your results? And things like that. There's a lot of strategies, but let's keep this simple. All right, Zuki Movers, let's contact them. Let's go get their details. Okay, we have 2 cell phone numbers and we have an email address in info. It's not the greatest. Okay. Copy that and copy the cell phone numbers. And then we move on to step 3. All right, guys. So step 3 would be to put their details into the sheet. I don't know if it'll be out yet, but in my Facebook group, I actually have a little resource on how to collect all the details in a nice little sheet where you can mark off what's what and what's happening. But assuming you don't go grab that, which you totally should, this is what you can do. Just get a Google Sheet and have name of company, email, contact number, and LinkedIn profile, and then insert all the information you got off their website into the sheet. And then you'd obviously want to have a little column here, green or red, based on how you've contacted them and what goes. We're getting to the point now where we're going to start doing the outreach. Now, obviously, you can do this on a much larger scale, but this is for you solopreneurs, freelancers, how you do it. So yes, you have to cold call or email, right? I will have the script for the cold call in my group as well. You guys can just go join there, ask me for it in there, and I'll give it to you. But let's cold call these guys and see what happens. Hi, how are you?
Well, thanks yourself.
Good. I was just online and I noticed you guys have quite a few bad reviews. I actually help with companies, namely moving companies, specialize in getting their rankings better on Google and getting them more leads. Is that something you'd be interested in? On Google My Business, I was just looking at guys in the area here. This is right?
Yeah, it is.
Trade. When the movers came to pack my things to put into storage, none of the items were wrapped and protected, including expensive computer equipment. They said it would be wrapped at the office, and she's just moaning about something that went wrong. She gave you guys a 1 star. And so basically I just specialize in helping businesses deal with this type of stuff, getting that removed and actually improving their presence. I'd love to set up a meeting or perhaps drop you an email.
Drop me an email.
Okay.
Sorry, what is your name again?
Jason.
Right, Jason, give me my email address.
I don't. CLAUDE at little .co.za. Awesome. And I'd also really like to set up a call if we could in the next few days when you got some time.
No, that's fine. Let me have a look at your stuff. I'm just busy with a bunch of stuff at the moment.
Okay.
And I will get back to you and then we can set up a meeting. I shall have a look at that.
Awesome. Thanks, Claude.
Alright, thank you. Thanks for your time.
Cheers. Bye. So guys, that was the cold call. As you can see there, I pushed him for a meeting. I played on something that gave him some bit of urgency and gave him like, oh my gosh, there's a bad review, something's wrong with my business. And at the end of the day, I genuinely really want to just help these business owners and improve their online presence. So I got his email and I'm ready to set up the next phase, which is a meeting and then showing him my products and services. Now that was a lucky draw, I guess. I have, for the purposes of this video, blurred the people's businesses and stuff out just because I don't want any weird issues coming back to bite me. So let's move on to step 5 now. All right, guys. So assuming now that you've got their emails and you've got them in for a meeting, which is what you want, now you want to have the deal. So to recap, basically we wanted to find our ideal client, get their contact details, put the details in a sheet, cold call or email them, and then push them to have a meeting. Now, when you are having this meeting, your objective obviously is to close the deal, but you don't want to let them know that, else you're going to come off very salesy and they're not going to want anything to do with you. The biggest thing you need to realize when dealing with these business owners is that it is not about you, it is about their business and how you can help them take the headache away. So when you go into the meeting, you don't want to be doing most of the talking. You want to be asking questions, hearing their pain points, hearing where things are going wrong, perhaps showing them what's up, which leads me into the next point. For that meeting, you must audit the item you're helping them with. So for this purpose, I was, let's say, helping them with their Google My Businesses. As you can hear from that call, it was, did you hear there was a negative review about you? Did you hear this? Did you hear that? And it catches their attention. And it's like, yes, I can help you. That is how you actually provide value to them and then show them, oh, well, for a small fee or whatever, you can help them with their services. Guys, that's all I have really for you guys today. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, join my group, my Facebook group down below, slide in there. It's full of guys looking at generating the first few clients, lead generation, all that good stuff. And let me know. Cheers.